In this guide, we'll set up your store filters in eLocate. Store filters let you apply the categories and values you've created in global filters to a specific store, helping customers narrow their search based on what that location offers. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's continue. From the Store section, select the store you want to assign global filters to. Then click the Edit button to open the store. Open the Store Filters section. If you'd like to see how your filters may appear in the store locator, click Preview. Featured global filters appear as highlighted information on the store locator's search results cards, while other filter values appear as standard store information. Before assigning values, review the available filter categories and switch visibility to off for any category that doesn't apply to this store. Now, let's apply the filter values that are relevant to this store. Click the filter category you'd like to set up. Then select one or more values from the drop-down list. Choose only the values that apply to this specific store. The selected values will appear below the drop-down. If you need to remove a value later, simply click the X beside it. Once everything looks good, click the Save button in the pop-up to confirm your selection. Repeat these steps for each filter category that applies to this store. When you've finished updating your filter categories, click Update or Save to save your changes. That's it! Your store filters are now set up for this location. Need a little guidance? Just click Get Help in the top right corner anytime you'd like to explore more support resources. And if you'd like to speak with our team, simply email support@epicshops.com. Whether you have a question or would like a live demo, we're always happy to help.